In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now before creating a new one, click on those three dots at the top right one. Select settings and manage all of those under alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, go back and click on this big button with a plus to create a new alarm. First of all, set up an hour at the top. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up and click on ringtone. Now by tapping on Add New at the top, you can tap on any song from your device to apply it. You can also just tap on one of those sounds to apply the perfect one, like for example, helium. Go back and click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Then click on label to name it. Lastly, to save its name, hit OK. And to save your new alarm, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off completely, click on orange switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, select the same, now grey one. To make some changes to your alarm, click on it, change wherever you want to, and to discard those changes, hit cancel, or to save them, tap on save. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it and click on this icon with a bean at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!